Market video signals, guys. We're back with the second analysis of the day. This time the euro dollar. We have a big stake here, and you probably remember we've been here just a few days ago. I think it was like 4 or 5 days ago. I was still describing the formation that got us in the first place, right? You remember this one, the qualified triple bottom. Remember that one? We had the first, the second touch point, and then the third touch point. We figured out that this is a qualified, verified triple bottom, and we got in. And we just kept collecting trades here, right? Just kept firing up as price, started to turn around and kept going. Right now we're holding 40% position size. It's getting big. Normally, guys, and this is the big domino here, right? Normally we would take profit at this point, right? Because we hit the secondary target, which was 109.64. So normally we would take some profit off the table at that point, reduce the exposure, and wait for price to actually break through in order to re-increase the position again. But this time we feel a lot more comfortable, a lot more confident with the fact that price is going to break, which is why we didn't even take, we took no profit here. Absolutely no profit, right? We kept the position intact 100%, right? Because we feel strongly about price going to break out for real this time. Not like it did, not like last time or last 2 times here, where it just seemed to be breaking, but then it failed. By the way, I want to show you how that looked like, from this angle, right? And basically we feel comfortable that price will break this time, mostly because of the count, right? We have the count on this trading range. We feel that this is the 5th move. Take a look. First one, second, third, fourth, 5th. Pretty straightforward, I would say, right? This is the range we're playing on right now. And I think this is the 5th move is usually the one to break. It's either the 5th or the 6th. So it could be a turnaround here. We're going to be cautious. If price will show signs of fatigue, of failure, right? I mean, obviously yesterday was the first sign of failure to break 109.64, but I would suggest that this is actually kind of typical. Price is just engaging. It's just tagging, it's just checking, right? Just to show us that it acknowledged the fact that there is a strong resistance here, but it doesn't mean that it's going to hold. It doesn't mean that it's going to fail. It's going to have a second attempt on that breakout, possibly today, and then we'll see, right? So we have heavy suspicions that we're going to have that breakout. So we're just getting ready to keep loading up more and more and just increasing this position. Once price can prove to break 109.64 decisively, we're probably going to get even more aggressive. All right, 111.54, that's where we see price ending up this move. When I say ending up, I mean at the very minimum hit 111.54. It's probably going to go beyond that point. It could have a full-fledged breakout later down the line, but we'll see. For now, we'll just be very satisfied hitting 111.54 here, which, by the way, will set a new local high by completing the move. Tagging at 111.54 is going to take the previous high by a very tight margin here. Well, we'll see how that goes. Stop loss level was adjusted from 107. Well, that was the original placement. Right now, 107.50. And once we cross over 109.64, we'll continue to adjust the stop loss level accordingly. That's about that for today. Forex Market Video Signal. It's been a pleasure. We'll be back tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.